what to eat in the Philippines. With 100 pesos in my pocket and hardly leaving the house. Of course, this is local street food. So, let's see what we have here. By the way, there won't be any fried cockroaches or scorpions here, but there are siomai, steamed dumplings, and kwek-kwek, which are eggs and batter. Now for the barbecue, there are some unusual dishes. For example, we got chicken blood, pork skin with fat, chicken feet, and chicken neck. Alright, and let's give it a try. The eggs and batter are quite tasty, just like the pork skin. A grilled sausage can't be anything but delicious. Now this is getting more interesting. I didn't eat the chicken blood, and the chicken paw is tasty but strange, and there's nothing special to eat. Well, I really like siomai, those little dumplings. So what about dessert? This is a traditional local dessert called halapalu, which includes shaved ice, condensed milk, pieces of coconut, and some other fruits. It's tasty and refreshing. So for all of this, we pay 100 pesos. Thank you.
Salamat.